morning, friends. On the 8th of June, Monday, we will be opening the religious places, temples, mosques, gurdwaras, churches to the members of the public in Puducherry, in Yanam, Mahi and Karaikal. Visiting religious place is a great moments in our lifetime and in our daily activity. But I would like to make appeal to you that please make it as far as possible your visits to the temple to the minimum. If possible, you may like to pray at home. Secondly, when you go to the temples or you are at home or on street, you have to wear your mask. Number one, you have to wear your mask. You have to maintain social distancing of 6 feet. Number three, you have to wash your hands. It is not that when you only visit the temple, but also daily when you are out. This you have to undertake all these things. This is to protect yourself, and you protecting yourself, you are also protecting me. This is very, very important. Social distancing, wearing mask and using hand sanitizer. Then I would like to come to the points of the temple. Please make sure that you don't visit the temple in large number of groups. The number should be minimal and maintain their social distancing. There also, wearing the mask, not taking it out for a moment, washing hands. Please make sure that you go in very, very small groups. You avoid crowding. That is very, very important. There in the temple, you will not be offered any prasadam. No prasad will be offered to you. Don't touch the feet of the gods and goddesses in the temple. This is to ensure that no infection takes place. Here I would like to say that in South Korea, the infection took place from the church and it spread all over the country. I am just telling you some incidents happened in Nanded in the Gurdwara, and you see how it affected people in Punjab. We have the incidents in Delhi in a mosque, how it spread all over the country. So all our religious institutions have to be on their guard, on their toes to ensure that you follow the protocol in all respect. I would again repeat, please try to avoid. Try to pray at home, which I do, which all of us do at times. When you go in small group, maintain the protocol. No prasad will be served. Don't touch the feet. Touching of the idols, holy books are not allowed at all. And please make sure that you maintain the respiratory etiquettes and you go with the Arogya Setu app. You must have the Arogya Setu app like I have in my mobile. It is for your safety and precaution. You can save yourself, save me if we follow these protocol in these times of crisis. Please make sure your safety is my safety is your safety. And I would strongly urge, please maintain the protocol. Further, I would like to say that if you do not wear mask, do not practice the protocol, there are penalty provisions under the Act. You have the Indian Penal Code, Section 188. There is a jail provision. Number two, under the Disaster Management Act of 2005, there are provisions from Section 51 to Section 60. You can be prosecuted there. Then there are other laws as well. So please understand, if you violate these directions, these protocols, the law will take into operation. The law will be enforced without fear and favor, without discrimination of any kind. Please make sure I wish you a great, great day ahead. From Monday onwards, when you visit, please bear with us. Cooperate with the members of the police, cooperate with the members of the public, cooperate with the people who are working in the temple. And I would also strongly urge our temple people to make sure if they can have an online system, which will be very beneficial to all of us. That's very, very important. I would like to point out the temple authorities must ensure that they deploy people. They must also ensure they put up the posters which I have already going to circulate to you. Put up the display, the notice. What are the contents of the notice? They should be known. Temple should also have the mic system that when people are coming, they are being told in Tamil language what are the do's and don'ts when you are coming to the temple. Please understand, your safety is our safety and my safety is your safety. Jai Hind.